Today we're going to automate the copying of RDS snapshots to a new region. When RDS creates a snapshot, an event is sent to CloudWatch. CloudWatch will evaluate our rules and filters to invoke the appropriate Lambda function. We'll accomplish this task by creating a new IAM role that will be assumed by Lambda. We'll create a Lambda function to copy the snapshot to the new region when the event is received. And finally, we'll create a CloudWatch rule and filter to invoke the Lambda function when a snapshot is created. Let's get started. We'll start the AIM portion by first creating a new policy. This new policy will allow us to copy the snapshot to the new region. Click on Policies and Create Policy. And from here, we're going to choose a new service. This is the service that you are trying to access, which in our case will be the RDS service. And under the right section, we want to make sure that we've granted access to copy DB snapshots. I'm going to choose all resources because I want this to copy snapshots from multiple RDS instances. Now we can give this policy a name that we'll be able to identify easily later and a description per your company's policies. Next, we're going to create a new role. And this role will be assumed by Lambda. So we're going to choose Lambda and click Next at the bottom. And we're going to look for the AWS Lambda Basic Execution role. This is the role that's going to allow us to write to CloudWatch. Next, we're going to look for our new policy that we just created. I named mine Copy RDS Snapshots. I'm going to go ahead and add me a quick description tag here. That way I know what this role was created for and whether it can be cleaned up later. Now we need to provide a role name. This can be anything per your company's policies, but make it something that you'll be able to identify. And click Create Role at the bottom. Next, we'll move to our Lambda tab, and we're going to create a new Lambda function. Type in your function name here. I'm going to name mine Copy Automated Snapshots Cross Region. And we're going to Python 3.7, and we're going to choose the role that we just created in the previous step. And click Create Function. Next, we're going to copy in the Lambda function code. This can be found in the description down below. I've got a link there for you. And this is the actual Python code that copies the snapshot cross region. Modify the destination region here per your needs. I'm going to leave mine at US East 1 and click Save in the top right hand corner. And next, we're going to head over to the CloudWatch and click Rules on the left. Click Create Rule, and in this case all we're going to need to do is click the Edit button in the right hand corner, and I provided the filter inside the description down below as well. You can see that it's going to match this one single pattern, which is for the automated snapshot created, not creating, so that's when the snapshot was completed creating. And let's click Add Target and choose our Lambda function. And let's click Next in the bottom right hand corner, and we need to provide a name for this rule. I'll call it Invoke on RDS Snapshot, and you can provide a description per your company's policies. Now we can head back to the Lambda tab and we can refresh this by going out and back into this Lambda function. And we can see that the CloudWatch events are now tied to this Lambda function, so they'll invoke this Lambda function when this filter here is matched, which is the snapshot creation event. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Ring the YouTube bell or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.